Hey guys, Coach Rich here, back with another video. This time I'll discuss the 3 essentials for learning any language. Please note that these are mainly for independent learners for any language. Let's go. Number 1, attitude. Your attitude towards learning is critical because this also affects your motivation. Many students fail, don't progress, or quit learning the language due to a negative attitude or lack of motivation. Ang hirap naman ito. Mendokusay na. To help fix this, think of your primary goal. Or remind yourself the reasons why you started learning the language in the first place and use them as your motivation. Also, use topics that are relevant to you. For examples, if you are an English student and you like animes, watch them in English.
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
If you like motorcycles, read magazines on that topic in English or watch product reviews on YouTube. In my experience, aside from school, I've acquired my English by watching cartoons and playing video games when I was young. My point here is, if your learning experience is tedious or stressful most of the time, you will lose your motivation or interest. So, have fun with the language and keep a positive mindset. Number 2, time. Spend time with the language, not just in the classroom, but most importantly when you are outside in your everyday life. Expose yourself to the language for at least 30 minutes every day. Read a book, listen to the radio, or watch a video or movie in your target language. As I mentioned in number 1, combine your interests and the language so you can incorporate it into your daily routine to maximize your learning. Number 3, application. Use what you have learned. After spending time on input, find ways on output. During your language lessons, use only the target language with your classmates and teachers. When traveling abroad, don't depend too much on translators. You can use simple words or phrases with gestures to communicate. And try engaging conversations with native or fluent speakers so you can practice. Because if you don't use it, you lose it. あるスキルを忘れないように頻繁に練習することが必要. So these are my 3 essentials for learning any language. If you want me to go into details on each topic, or you have questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button, share, and subscribe. I'll be making more videos like this soon. Thank you and see you next time.